Your JAMB result is out. I mean, there is no need to keep waiting. In fact, at this moment, members of our YouTube channel, people, JAMBites have already started checking the result and also posting the score. Of course, some scored very well and some did not score. But there's a category of JAMBites, candidates that lost their JAMB result. And because they lost their JAMB result, they are not able to assess their result. And in this video, let me just tell you what you are going to do in order to see your JAMB result. Number one is the fact that you lost your SIM card is not the end of the road. It doesn't mean you cannot check your JAMB result. Are you with me? The fact that your SIM card is missing or your SIM card spoiled doesn't mean you cannot check your JAMB result. The first thing I will recommend before I begin to tell you the official ways is for you to explore the option of welcoming back your SIM. Right? You can go to an MTN office near you, tell them it shouldn't take you more than 2 hours or 1 hour, depending on the number of persons there. I think they will charge you 500 or so, I'm not very sure. Sometimes they do it free, sometimes you have to pay. But make out time early enough and go to the JAMB office. No, go to MTN office, or if your line is Airtel, go to Airtel office. Whether it's Glow, go to Glow office. Whether it's Etisalat or anyone, just go to the service provider, their office, that has your SIM card, and do welcome back. Tell me in the comment section even the condition that led to you losing your SIM card. Some people also were not following us ahead of time, so they did not know when I was hammering on the fact that your SIM card should be your own. Some people use their friend's SIM card and the friend has traveled, or your mother's SIM card or something like that. Right now, what you need to do is to go and do a welcome back. Once you do a welcome back on your SIM, you should be able to quickly access your result. But then, if you are not able to do a welcome back, the next thing for you to do is you can now explore the option of checking your JAMB result online. What did I say? Checking your JAMB result online. Checking your JAMB result. So there are two methods. One, go and do welcome back. Go and do welcome back. You know why? JAMB results, they often first of all push it out through SMS method. That is the use of 55019 or 66019. Right? With that method, you can check your JAMB result without going online. But later on, they will now make the result available online in the JAMB checking portal, in the JAMB website. But for now, when the result is newly released, you may not see it online. That is why I've seen some people come to me and say they have checked it online, they are not seeing it. They have checked it online, they are not seeing it. You need to calm down. After some time, they will now release it online. But right now, it is not yet available online. Just try. It could be available as at the time you are watching this video. So quickly visit, see what you have to do. Visit the JAMB e-facility portal. Open a web browser. When I mean web browser, open your Google Chrome. You should have Chrome in your phone, or open your Firefox or any browser you are using, or just go to Google and type Google e-facility portal. Google e-facility portal. Just go to Google and type JAMB e-facility portal. Once you will see options. Open a web browser and visit the JAMB Admission and Matriculation Board e-facility portal at, you can see, I've always said this. If you want me to send you this link, let me know. Just write HTTPS, this website on the screen, https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng/login. Right? So just do this. Just you can see I've mentioned this link over and over again in several videos. So this is just the simple thing you have to do. Once you do that, you can see I click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to this, and you just have to put in your details. Log in your account. Click on log into your account, enter your email address, enter your password, and you click on login. Once you click on login, the portal will open and you will see where you can the button for viewing your result or printing your result. Also, some of you might have lost, you have forgotten the JAMB password and all the rest. There's an option here where you can click on forgot your JAMB password. They built the JAMB website in such a way that even students that forgot their website has a way, right? Has a way of resetting their password. You know, just like if you have a Facebook account, sometimes you might forget your password. Maybe you have not logged out and logged in for some time and you forgot your password. There is always a way you can reset your password. So JAMB also on their website, they have that option to help you to reset your password. Okay, so just put your email address and your password. If you forgot it, just click on forgot password, then click here to reset it. You can easily reset it and put a password that you are sure you can always remember. From the results we have seen in this year's UTME, that is in this year's JAMB result, over 1.5 million out of the 1.9 million candidates who sat for the JAMB exam scored below 200 in the just concluded exam. Many JAMBites scored below 75%, but that is not your portion. You that is watching this video, no matter what you are passing through, I want to believe, and I need you to believe it with me and claim it with me on your behalf, that your JAMB result will make you smile. Even when others are crying, your JAMB result will make you smile. I want you to claim it. You will enter school this year. Nothing will give you, make you to stay at home. Nothing will make you to come back next year and start suffering again, going through the whole process, rigorous process of writing JAMB again. That is not your portion. Your portion is that no matter what, you are entering school this year. Can I see you type I claim it in the comment section? Okay. Now, so about 75% of those that wrote JAMB this year were not able to score up to 200. This was revealed in the statistical analysis of the JAMB result released by the board. These statistics indicate that only 420,415 candidates scored above 200 in this year's JAMB examination. That is crazy. That is crazy. Remember what I said, go for a welcome back. Just move now. Go and do your welcome back. If you can't do your welcome back, just click on this link. If you want me to send you the link, let me know. Then if you're having other issues, if there are other issues you're having relating to checking your JAMB or getting admission, please feel free right now to let me know. But that is only for members of our YouTube channel. How do you become a member? You become a member when you click on join. So go ahead, click on join. Then also go ahead, like this video, share this video. There are many people that need it. Share this video here on YouTube, share it on other platforms, and then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is very important. Joining and subscribing is very important. Once you subscribe, let me know in the comment section. There's a very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.